Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Siti Nurahayu from the Biology Department. Will presentation in the topic Ali bin Abi Thalib and leadership tip 656 to 661. Number one, discussion biography. Number two, progress of breaking. And number three, leadership type. And number four, discussion of coalition and contribution. And discussion number five, attempt and conflict. And discussion number five, and last, line of leadership. The first topic in biography of Ali bin Abi Thalib. Ali bin Abi Thalib, full name Ali bin Abi Thalib bin Ahmad Abdul al-Muttalib bin Hashim bin Abdul al-Manaf bin Lu'ay bin Kilab bin Qusay. Born in the city of Mecca, Hijaz region, Arabia Peninsula of Friday, 13 Rajab Sirsa 600 Masyahi. Ali asked to be named Haidar but was chosen by the Prophet to Ali, what meant take to noble Abu's father Talib bin Abdul Muttalib and Fatimah's mother bin Asad bin Abdul Manaf. Ali became Asabikunal the Kinal at the age of 10 years. Ali was married to Fatimah and has children named Hassan and Hussein. Ali is also very famous for her intelligent nature, trustworthy, robust presenters, fierce, fierce, benefactor, and merciful. Topic number two, the progress of Ali bin Abi Thalib basis. Ali bin Abi Thalib was born in a Khalid on June 24, 656 to at the Mount Prophet Moscow. Exactly 7 days after the death of Usman bin Affan due to the tragedy of murder by a rebel group. The condition of the Muslim was very chaotic and forced Ali become the caliph because none of his friends were willing. After reversing, Ali accompanied the argue, but Talha and Zubair also breaked allegiance to Ali and the condition that Ali must thoroughly investigate the case of Usman murder. On the other hand, the Uthman were worried that if Ali were to take allegiance, they will lose the wealthy and power they had again during the reign of Usman, because Ali was known to be fair and firm. Therefore, they went to Syria to avoid Ali allegiance. Ali bin Abi Thalib leadership type. Character leadership. Ali is in frame, steadfast, brave, fearless, generous, intelligent, strong, and not tempered by position and power in the world, but always believe in Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, permanence, as well as his brave and fair nature of Prophet Muhammad. Ali did not hesitate to fear the power holden from Usman period is not right in running the government. Government has strong character made him almost never lost its word. So nicknamed Asadullah or Lion of Good. Ali took part in giving facilitation to his people. Ali also has a high intelligence in sense. Apart from that, Ali is also very generous and humble. Politics and contribution of Ali bin Abi Thalib. The politics tactic Ali at the beginning of the leadership were very in hand of the troubled religion of the Caliphate. Politics and contribution of Ali bin Abi Thalib. The politics taken by Ali the backing of leadership were varying in the hand of the troubled religions of the Caliphate of Usman and replaced him with a new religion and an area just returned to Medina because the cult now occupy the area where was served. Take back the less that Usman gave to his family and relatives with no way legal because it is nepotism, and also take it from the person who was given the land for reasons that are not clear. Politics and contribution of Ali bin Abi Thalib. Contribution of Ali bin Abi Thalib. Developments in the field of linguistics. At the time, many errors were found in reading the Quran and Hadith, especially from people who were not from the Arab national, and it was considered very fatal. So in Abu al-Aswad al-Dawli, Ali to written essay entitled The Particles of Nahwu Sense. Developments on the French development. At first, the city of Kufah was set as the center of defense of Ali government. However, in turn out the best strategic and finally become a center for the development of religious knowledge, such as Nahwu, Sense, Tafsir, and Hadith. The atmosphere of government in Ali time. It is almost never stable because of the many conflicts, and after Muawiyah accused Ali of killing as Usman the seat of caliphs, and the caused tension between the Bani Hashim and Bani Umayyah. The powerhouse were dismissed by Ali didn't accept and always tried to oppose Ali Caliphate in first boy. Ali friends always urged him to thoroughly investigate the case of Usman murder, and if they threatened to start war. The moment and conflict of Ali bin Abi Thalib. Conflict during Ali leadership. Number 1. Jamal War. Jamal War occurred because Aisyah, Talha, and Zubair wanted to offend Usman death, but Ali didn't now investigate it. Aisyah managed to gender the Muslim. like Ja'li bin Umayyah for Yemen. Abdullah bin Amr, governor of the army, Uthman the Umayyah Imtiaz, Abdullah bin Zubair, Amr bin As, Adib bin Uqbah, and the army led by Muawiyah. The two armies met Muzaybah, Aiza with 20,000 troops and Ali with 10,000 troops. It was called the Jamal War because at the time Aiza was riding the camel. Finally, the war was won by Ali troops and Aiza was returned to Mecca with honor. Jamal was claimed 10,000 lives including Talha and Zubair. Jamal War occurred because Asia was very emotional about the cause of Uthman and Ali betrayal, not to mention the incitement from Talha, Zubair, and Abdullah bin Zubair. Abdullah bin Zubair was very ambitious to become a caliph. The moment and conflict of Ali bin Abi Thalib, conflict during Ali leadership. Number 2, Siffin War. The Siffin War was a war between Ali and Muawiyah. Muawiyah discontent the first is Jamal War, made him always seek conflict with Ali. When Ali went to North Syria to visit the Euphrates River, Muawiyah did not ever give him permission to ask the right. Send a messenger Ali, but Muawiyah remained steadfast. Finally, sent an army led Sa'd al-Naqi and was captured. Ali wanted to end his conflict with Muawiyah through negotiation by sending Bashir bin Amr as an envoy. However, Muawiyah escaped for time, and the final discussion was that Muawiyah still refused to acknowledge Ali Bayat and his term asked to be Bayat as Caliph. The Siffin War broke out in the month of Safar 37 Hijriah or 567 Masehi. Throughout Ali as many as 95,000 and Muawiyah as much 85,000. The war claimed the life of 45,000 for Muawiyah side and 37,000 from Ali side, one of which was Immar bin Yasir. Muawiyah's party fell prison. The Amr bin As lifted the manuscript and invited Tahkim about Kitabullah. Actually, Ali now is what just others put him down and stopped fighting, and someone was threatening him. Finally, Ali agreed that the war was resolved for the Tahkim arbitration. A new problem arose. Some people who rejected Talhim were out of the way of Ali, the Khawarij. The Muslims are divided into three groups, namely the followers of Ali, the followers of Muawiyah, and the Khawarij. Conflict during Ali leadership. Number 3, Nahrawan War. The Nahrawan War took hands between Ali and the Khawarij. The Khawarij air of the opinions. Muawiyah and Amr bin As have played with the name Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Ali and the Talqin supporter committed a big sin. Supporting Talqin is the sum of promoting bid'ah. The Khawarij were led by Abdullah bin Wahab Rasibi. The two armies made a Nahrawan on the banks of the Tigris River Al-Dajlah. The end of the leadership of Ali bin Abi Thalib, the Khawarij were dissatisfied with the result of the Nahrawan War and considered all the division that had occurred due to the action of Ali. Muawiyah and Amr bin As saw that they planning to kill the three. Ali was stabbed by Abdurrahman bin Muljam while he was praying at the Kufah Mosque. Muawiyah was stabbed by Barak bin Abdullah at-Tamimi. Muawiyah was only injured, while Amr bin As was sick at the time, so his successor Rad was killed. A few days later, in the month of Ramadan, 40 Hijriah or January 661 Masehi, Ali died at the age of 63 years. Conclusion: Ibrah the way can take us as follow. Content I, as a leader, Ali is a fearless, brave, and strong character without his men trying to solve the course on the battlefield. Content B, as a superior person, Ali has a gentle heart, hacks spiritually, and good morals without the worst education directly with the Prophet Muhammad. Convince as a leader, Ali is firm, fair, and wise in making decisions and punishment to his leadership style stop the example to be applied today. Thanks for your attention. Now of my presentation, if there is a wrong word, I apologize personally. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.